The Southwest Idaho Manufacturers Alliance, or SWIMA, was founded in 2013 by manufacturers for manufacturers. Created by a group of local manufacturers and economic development specialists to foster an atmosphere of sharing, innovation, and growth, we support and promote the rapidly expanding manufacturing environment in the Southwest Idaho region.
Well, for a long time, there was no organization that would bring together manufacturers in Southwest Idaho. Now they've grown significantly in the valley to over 80 members, and so now it's become kind of a force of nature.
We tirelessly advocate for the economic and career benefits of manufacturing, striving to increase awareness of our industry to the general public, while promoting the growth and development of a strong workforce.
In my experience in economic development and with networking with a bunch of different industry groups, there's not much better things that you can do than actually get out there and meet some of your counterparts in the industry. SWIMA really brings those people together and really gives the chance for those manufacturers to make those connections that are really going to better their business.
We work to be an integral link between manufacturing companies, building awareness of the needs of our industry, and creating connection with peers that strengthen and support growing businesses.
Well, I think networking is how it's done. I mean, typically navigating the right business relationships, navigating the right customer relationships, navigating the right, future employee relationships, and it's done by, connecting with people, and it's invaluable.
SWIMA holds quarterly membership meetings with topics focused on what matters most to our constituency. And SWIMA-sponsored tours allow our members opportunity to observe and learn from local industry leaders.
So we have gotten many things out of SWIMA, and some of those examples are that with the meetings that they've held, we've been able to look at healthcare and just legal issues, and being able to get things that aren't in our expertise, in our wheelhouse. They've been able to bring outside partners in and to be able to help us identify areas in our business that we can improve upon.
How it benefits RoboJet is that relationship that we build every time we go to a quarterly meeting or every time we participate in one of their events. It just brings people together, and I would say that after every meeting we always get business.
Every October is celebrated as Idaho Manufacturing Month, and our annual Made Here Expo and Job Fair brings together regional businesses, students, and job seekers.
Manufacturing is a phenomenal career and often overlooked by the youth in the community. And our goal is to get the youth to come see what they can do and what opportunities exist. So, we like to display there, we like to show people that there is a vibrant manufacturing community in the valley and that there are career opportunities in it.
Yeah, when businesses come together, they not only share best practices, but opportunities.
Well, I will highly recommend of any manufacturing business to join SWIMA because it's the only of its kind that is really focused on manufacturing.
So we really encourage other businesses to become active in the SWIMA, not only because of the things that you can get out of it, but also for the things that you can give back.
SWIMA, promoting the growth and development of the Southwest Idaho manufacturing community.